My name is Michelle Dyer, and I just have to note I am not a financial advisor. Please consult one. And the views expressed here are strictly my own and do not reflect my employer. Insurance. I remember the days where I would possibly think of taking an acting job that I really didn't want, but I needed the insurance weeks for. And I know people still struggle with this too, but thank goodness because of the ACA that we don't have this issue as much. So, health insurance is necessary. You absolutely have to have health insurance, non negotiable. Life insurance? Eh, if someone is not dependent upon your salary, you might not need life insurance. I mean, everybody's different, but if you have someone dependent upon you, then you need to think about getting a term life insurance. Susie Orman's a really big fan of term. Whole life is more expensive than term. People try to sell you whole life because they sell it as an investment, but insurance agents get a percentage when they sell you things like that. So take it with a grain of salt, research Susie Orman, read up on insurance. But if you don't have anyone dependent upon you, you might not need to get life insurance right now. And then renter's insurance, you might want to look into renter's insurance. It might be worth it. Depending on what you have with you, obviously, if you're subletting, you don't need it. But definitely check out renter's insurance as well. But health insurance, absolute non negotiable. Make sure you are taken care of.